Diabetes, cholesterol, and kidney diseases with okra water. Okra's chances of ending up on a list of the most hated foods are very high. Several people don't like the way it tastes and think that sticky liquid it produces gross. But okra is actually highly nutritious and full of health benefits. In today's video, we are going to talk about okra's health benefits and share an okra water recipe that helps regulate blood sugar and cholesterol levels and can help you lose weight. Eating okra help you lose weight. That sticky liquid present in the okra is actually called mucilage. It's rich in fibers and keep you full for a longer period of times. Furthermore, okra is low in calories and has a low glycemic index. Okra is good for people with diabetes. Studies performed with okra have shown that it can reduce blood sugar and lipid levels. It's good for your cardiovascular system. High cholesterol levels can cause plaque to form in the arteries, leading to heart attacks and strokes. Okra is rich in fibers and mucilage, which can reduce cholesterol. Furthermore, since it contains potassium, it contains high blood pressure, a risk factor when it comes to heart disease. It improves digestion. The fiber found in okra is great for both your intestine and liver. It improves the movement of the food in the gastrointestinal tract and eliminates the fat and toxins from the body. It strengthens your immune system. Since it's rich in antioxidants, okra can prevent several diseases caused by free radicals. Furthermore, since it's rich in vitamin C, it stimulates the immune system. Some studies have shown that okra has anti-cancer properties that reduce breast cancer, cell proliferation, and prevent colon cancer. Now that you know a little about okra's benefit, we are going to share a good way to consume this plant and benefit from its properties. The best way to consume okra is through okra water. Apart from the benefits we have already talked about, this water can relieve constipation, aid digestion, strengthen your bones, serve as an anti-inflammatory, and prevent anemia. Ingredients: 4 pieces of okra, 200 milliliters of water. Instructions: cut off the ends of okra pieces and throw them away. Cut the okra pieces in half, put them in the water and let them soak during the night. Drink the water on an empty stomach. Wait 30 minutes before